Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain hose adapter in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 5/16" nut driver, 5/8 open-end wrench, a pair of large pliers, a long flat blade screwdriver, a Torx 20 screwdriver, and a hose clamp. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain hose adapter. The drain hose adapter is installed at the bottom of the dishwasher, connecting it to the pump and motor assembly. If the drain hose adapter gets torn or eaten by mice, you may end up having a flood in the kitchen. That would be the perfect time to replace the drain hose adapter. Open the door and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove two screws that secures the dishwasher to the countertop. Using the Phillips, in our case screwdriver, take the two screws on the sides of the access panel out. Remove the access panel. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shutter valve just in case of the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then, using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Pull the dishwasher out. Place it on its back. Make sure all the hoses and the power cord are out of the way. Next, we need to remove the hose clamp from the adapter. Using the large pliers, remove the clamp and discard it. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the suspension bracket from the pump and motor assembly. Pull the pump and motor assembly out of the adapter and from the sump. Move the pump motor assembly out of the way and using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take the 4 screws that hold the drain hose adapter out. Remove the old adapter from the drain pump port. This is the old drain hose adapter next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new drain hose adapter on the dishwasher and secure it with the 4 Torx 20 screws. Make sure it sits on all the way. Place the new hose clamp on the new drain hose adapter. Install the motor pump into the sump and into the drain hose adapter. Tighten the clamp with a Phillips screwdriver. Hook on the suspension bracket. Leave the dishwasher upright. Pull the drain hose, the inlet hose, and the power cord through the divider. And install the dishwasher under the counter. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shutter valve and tighten using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16" nut driver. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Open the door and secure the dishwasher to the countertop with the 2 Phillips screws. Install the access panel and secure it with the 2 Phillips screws. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.